Hi mga kabahay, I'm Agent G from MFR Real Estate Corporation. Today I'm in Philinvest, Home is Cainta along Marcos Highway. Tara, drive tour po tayo, samahan niyo po ako. So let's go mga kabahay, drive tour tayo sa Philinvest, Home is Cainta along Marcos Highway. And daanan na rin natin yung mga available namin ng mga property na for sale, house on lot and residential lot only here sa loob ng Philinvest. Tara po. Tara mga kabahay, let's continue our drive tour. So ito po ulit yung pinaka main road dito sa Philinvest Homes Cainta. So yan, left and right, nagalakihan po ang mga bahay. So yung number 1 na lot, kanina pinakita ko, malapit lang po siya sa amenity area. Malapit po sa may rotonda, actually. And then, yung next naman po is located in Alto at Phil East. Ito naman po is mga nasa 1.7 kilometers away from the main gate sa Marcos Highway. Nasa loob po siya ng Alto at Phil East. Yan. So yung mga kabahay, first stop is this Rizal lot. Lot area is 373 square meter, located in number 46 Frost Street. So tara, silipin po natin. Yan ang available naman na Rizal lot here in Frost Street, Philinvest Homes Cainta. So elevated siya from the road, nasa 1.2 po yung elevation niya. And then, may mga improvements na ginawa yung owner, such as nagkaroon na ng yan po, may fence na. And then, sa loob is meron pong storage room or small house. Sa ngayon, hindi po natin pwede pasukin kasi nakalock. Pero yan po ang loob. And ito naman po yung pinakaharap niya. So yung mga bahay na ipakita ko na kanina sa inyo, yung number 1 na Rizal lot, yung 373 square meter located in Frost Street. Yung next na ipapakita ko ay house and lot naman sa Alto at Phil East. So yun guys. So yung Alto at Phil East is nandito na po. So nasa Moses Street. Ito rin po yung papuntang Eastville Clubhouse. So yan, papasok tayo ng Alto. Yung Alto at Phil East po is a new project ni Philinvest. So yung mga offerings namin dito dati is house and lot and residential lot. But for now, sold out. And yung available po is a house and lot na resale na under construction sa ngayon. So yan yung mga available dito mga kabahay. Duplex, Brahms model. Yan. Alto is a new subdivision inside Philinvest Homes Cainta. And yung offering ko dito na resale is a brand new under construction house and lot na duplex model. So tara po puntahan natin. So yan mga kabahay, ito po ang Alto at Phil East. For now, mga under construction po ang mga house and lot dito. Yung iba is tapos na. Pero wala pa po nakatira for now. So yun guys ang itsura ng fully completed or almost complete na house and lot package here in Alto at East. That's our Brahms model duplex. Ito pong nasa gilid is single attached. But dito sa katabi is duplex model. So yung mga kabahay, naipakita ko na sa inyo yung available namin na house and lot under construction in Alto at East. So tara po, ang next stop natin is located in Lear Street, Phil East, Philinvest Homes Cainta. Ang available naman po doon is pre-owned house and lot. So yun mga kabahay, palabas tayo ng Alto at Phil East. So ito po yung Lear Street, kakanan po tayo. And yung available na house and lot na pre-owned is malapit na po. So yan, malapit na po tayo mga kabahay doon sa pre-owned house and lot na available. And our third stop mga kabahay is this house located in Lear Street, Philinbes, Homies, Cainta. So yung mga kabahay, pinakita ko kayo na sa inyo yung pasad ng resale or pre-owned house and lot in Lear Street. So for the details, please contact me na lang. Yun. So next stop is our resale lot in Tropics 2, 138 square meter po. So yung mga kabahay, nasa loob na tayo ng Tropics 2. Puntahan natin yung available na resale lot namin. Yan. Ang available dito sa Tropics 2 dati, mga kabahay, is house and lot only. So yan yung mga sample ng mga house and lot package namin dito. Tulip and Iris model. And nasa kanan ko naman po yung dating mga house model. Iris and yung tulip model namin. Yan. Right now, ano po yan, sold na. And nandito na tayo. Our next stop is this lot na nasa likod ko, located in Tropics 2. Tara, silipin po natin. Yung mga kabahay, ito po yung available na lot, located in Block 1, Lot 9. Lot area is 138 square meter. Terrain is flat. Yan. And ito naman po yung pinaka front and side ng lot. So yung mga kabahay, naipakita ko na yung resale lot offering namin in Tropics 2, 138 square meter. So our final stop is located in Tropics 1. Ang available naman po doon is brand new house and lot. And our final stop mga kabahay is this brand new 3-story house and lot located in Tropics 1. For the details, please contact me na lang, and I already have a separate video for this house na pwede kong i-share. So yung mga kabahay, again, I'm Agent J from MFR Real Estate Corporation. If you're interested sa mga pinakita kong property kanina, please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. Thank you for watching and God bless.